Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Thursday, February 2nd, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I just wanted to shoot a quick video and do my weekly pay results. Okay, this is my payment proof video for the week. And I'm super excited because, as you can see right here, today I received my first monthly matrix pay. Alright, so I'm just going to start out with this. You can see that date paid was February 2nd. Okay, here's my weekly pay. But the monthly pay for the matrix was $19.17, and I'm just going to show you in the back here how this all breaks down. Alright, here you can see that my matrix bonus was $9 and the matching bonus was $10.17 for a total of $19.17. Now, these are from the people that have been in this company a month now. Okay, so this is going back to when I first joined in December, all the way up through the end of January. All right, so this is just people that have been in for a month. These aren't all the people who joined from January 1st through the end of the month, okay? If that makes sense. These are, you only get the matrix bonus and the matching bonuses and the retail bonuses, the monthly pay for those who have been in the program a month, okay? So next month it's going to be a whole lot more, okay? But basically, let's see. I'm going to show you the matrix bonus is $9. All right, and this is the first 9 levels. Okay, so my first full month in this, I had people on 9 levels deep. Now I have people 13 levels deep. Okay, but you can see here, my first level was 50 cents. My second level was 75, and you can see how this all breaks down. Okay, you get a quarter a piece for everybody in your matrix. So I had 36 people here, and if you times that by 25, you're going to get the $9. All right, and this is the shows you how it breaks down here. All right. So here are people on my first level. You know, it gives you the whole breakdown. All right, so that's $9. Now I'm going to take you over and show you the second part of this. All right, and then here we have the matching bonus, which equals $10.17. So I'll just show you the quick breakdown of this. Alright, so here you can see all my personally enrolled people here. Okay, this person in my matrix earned $7.75. I got half of that because there's somebody that I personally enrolled. This person made $7.50. I get half of that. Then I have the second silver generations. Alright, and it just goes down and it equals $10.17. Now, next month, this is going to be, like I said, a whole lot more. All right, so I'm super excited about that. When I first saw my pay today, I just saw the $19 and I was like, oh wow, I thought I made more than that, but this is just for the monthly pay. All right, so for this week I was paid $239.60, and I'll click on this and show you the breakdown really quick. All right, so I had $47.50 in the membership referral bonus, $190 in the affiliate referral bonus, and I actually even got some retail referral bonus for $2.10. So I'll show you the membership referral bonus. All right, again, I'm getting paid as a silver, so I get paid 50% for all personal referrals, and then I get 10% on my second level and 5% on my third and fourth levels. Okay, so I only personally enrolled one person during this pay period, and I earned $5 on them, but you can see it breaks down into the third and fourth levels here for a total of $47.50. The affiliate referral bonus breaks down like this, all right? So one personally enrolled member, I get $20 on them. This is based on the $40 one-time affiliate fee that people pay when they join. All right, so 50% of the 40 for my personal enrolled member is 20. These are all from the second level. I get $4 on them, 10%. And then the third and fourth level, I get 5%, so $2 on all of them. All right, and this equals $190. And the coolest part was that I actually got a retail referral bonus for $2.10. All right, I'm just going to keep everybody's name blocked, but this person is on my second level, and I get $2.10 from the retail referral bonus. All right, so I mean, I just can't get over this company, folks. I mean, the products are awesome. I've been taking them since December 28th. I have so much energy. I'm super focused. I'm getting all kinds of stuff done. I'm really focusing on building this company or this business because I know that this company is not going anywhere. It's only going to get bigger from here. If you're on the fence about joining this, folks, it's $49.95 to get started for your first month. It's $9.95 a month after that. We have a yearly plan where you can pay and save $20. It's $139.95. I mean, what more do you want? You know, I have people in my matrix, okay, people that I've enrolled personally that have never made a cent online, and they already have 20 plus people in their matrix. Okay, so it's just crazy, and I just can't say enough good things about this company. And I'm still in shock that I'm having this type of success so quickly. All right, normally this would take me a half a year to start getting results like this, maybe even a year. You know, like I said, I'm not a big time marketer. I don't have 100,000 followers. You know, and I'm just going out there and staying consistent, posting every single day, making a YouTube video every single day, and just talking to people about the opportunity, just sharing the video with people. Okay, so that's all I'm doing. So I'm just going to whip out the calculator here, and I'm going to show you what I've earned so far with this company. And so we'll go back to the first week. I started with $25 plus $200 plus $165 plus $304.50, $247.50, $239.60, and $19.17. All right, folks, I've earned $1,200.77 already. All right, and next month it's going to be even more, because when I get paid for the matrix and the matching bonuses for next month, it's going to be huge. I mean, I don't know about you, but this is certainly a great way to supplement your income. You know, I'm going to turn this into a full-time income by the end of this year. You know, I'm hoping to be up to, you know, I'm not even going to say numbers because I don't want to mislead anybody or anything like that, but it's going to be huge, okay? So if you haven't joined this yet, there's a link down in the description box. It'll take you over here to my tour page where there's a 5-minute and 55-second video that you can watch that explains everything in great detail. All right, you can reserve your position for free here, and you can opt out at any time by simply entering your first name, your last name, your email, and clicking reserve my position now. All right, also today, every Thursday, we have the cutoff date. So as you can see here, we have until tonight, the end of tonight, to lock in your position. So what that means is that if you are pre-enrolled in this company, or you haven't pre-enrolled yet, you can do so right now, and you can lock in your position by the end of tonight, and that'll give you the best possible position that's open in our matrix. Okay? So you don't want to miss out on that. And again, this is just growing like crazy. I'm going to show you this really quick. Yesterday when I did my video, this was at 340, maybe 344 or something. We're up to 360 right now, total team members. Okay? So I think I was paid for 36 people in the matrix this month. Next month, you know, you can do the math and check this out. It's going to be huge. All right, so that's it for this video. If you have any questions about any of this, leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you find any value in my videos, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. It helps me out, and I greatly appreciate it. I also appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. It means a lot to me, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.